how to clean my dad's grubby iPhone, which has been everywhere with him, from the toilet to him sweating doing exercise. So it can have anything on it from the like germs, viruses. So I'm going to clean it to slow down the spread of this virus. And older people are more vulnerable to this virus, and I love my grandparents very much, so I'm going to do what I can to slow this virus down from spreading across Australia or the world. So you need methylated spirits, spray bottle, some paper towel, and most importantly, your dad's grubby iPhone. So first, good idea to take the cover off to get all inside the phone. So also to clean the case as well, since you've been touching the case as well. So just give everything a light spray with the methylated spirits. Doing the cover. Then just wipe it down and wipe it with some paper towel. And just do the same with the actual phone. So the screen, start off. Back of the phone. It's also a good idea to do all the buttons, because as well as that you've been touching them, so you can have everything on them. There you go. And just to be sure, do everything twice even. And remember, don't put too much on, otherwise you'll ruin the phone, drown it. So I do this to my phone every time I get home from school to ensure to decrease the spread of the virus. Since you've been touching the phone all day, coughing, sneezing on it. There you go. Then your phone's nice and clean. Ready for use at home. Clean.